To create a new account, go to the InStep homepage. Click the Go to Account Sign Up link. Enter your information for a new account. Click to create a new account. The web server will send you an email with an activation code. Do not close the browser window until you complete this step. Now go to the login page. Enter your username and password to log in. The first time you log in, you will be asked to pick a license. Choose a license type. Expand the Files Download section. Then click on InStep version 3 to download the installer. Download, extract and install the application. You can now sign out from your online account. Enter your username and password and log in. For this tutorial we will use the simple interface. Click the status options and enable the messages. Select the block Tutorial1 file and open it. The contents will be shown in a default view. Press and hold the left mouse button while you move the mouse to rotate the view. Use the Alt and E keys to toggle edge visibility. Review how the body is constructed through individual triangles. Use the Features button to convert geometric shapes. Any shape that is recognized is converted into its corresponding feature. Exporting the body is as simple as using the Save As button. Exporting the data is very fast for small files. This completes Tutorial 1. Please subscribe to this channel for other tutorials, and thumb it up if you enjoyed it. Please also follow us on Twitter at InStepDev.